Today we're going to do an aeroplane. You get a new paper. I'm gonna do it in this one. Okay. You do this and now fold it like that and open it. And then put this
top one.
and this. You do this and now for the next one do this.
Drawing a cup.
And then do this.
Drawing.
And
Drawing a cup.
this like that. And then put this like that. And this like that. And now throw it. Let's do another one. I wanna do like something else, but like I'm thinking. Grab the new paper and then put it like this. And now double it. I don't know what I'm doing. Double it like that. Let's type open it. Open it. And then you see this 4 lines like 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can do like something better, like put this like that, like this. And now you do this. Or you can do something else like this. There. And now you finish. Subscribe, guys.